Before you pull up your pepper plants and throw them away this fall, wait. That healthy pepper plant you spent months growing may not have to die when winter arrives. With the right preparation, you can protect it through the cold months and give it another chance to produce peppers next year. And the best part? You don't need to save every plant. Just save the ones that are healthy, productive, and worth keeping. Choose the right plant. Look for a strong plant with healthy leaves, good growth, and no obvious disease. Maybe it's your best jalapeno. Maybe it's the bell pepper that produced the biggest fruits. That's the plant worth saving. Don't wait for frost. This is where many gardeners make a mistake. They wait until the first frost is already coming. Don't. Pepper plants are warm season plants, and freezing temperatures can seriously damage them. Move your chosen plant indoors before freezing weather arrives. Check for pests. Before bringing the plant inside, inspect it carefully. Look underneath the leaves and around the stems. Check for aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, or sticky residue. You don't want to bring an entire army of insects into your home. Clean the leaves gently with water and remove dead or damaged growth. Your pepper plant doesn't need to keep all of its summer growth. Remove dead, damaged, and unnecessary branches. If the plant is too large for your indoor space, carefully reduce its size. Don't worry if it suddenly looks much smaller. You're preparing it for winter, not trying to make it produce a huge harvest right now. Once indoors, place it somewhere bright. If natural winter light is weak, a grow light can help. And remember, your plant won't be using water as quickly as it did during a hot summer, so don't keep the soil constantly wet. Check the soil first, then water when needed. Your pepper plant may look quiet during winter. It may even lose some leaves. That's okay. You're not trying to make it grow rapidly. You're simply keeping it alive until spring. And when warm weather returns, gradually move it back outdoors and let it adjust to stronger sunlight. Then, something wonderful can happen. New leaves appear, new flowers form, and the same plant you almost threw away last fall can start producing peppers again. So before you remove your favorite pepper plant this year, ask yourself, is this plant really finished? Or is it simply waiting for spring? If you have a pepper plant you're planning to save, tell me in the comments what variety it is.